Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever feel like your hair just isn't living up to its full potential? Maybe it's thinning, dry, or just lacking that healthy, vibrant shine? Today we're talking about a product that claims to boost hair growth, add shine, and make your strands stronger and thicker. It's the Purifect Hair Growth Serum, a botanical oil-powered formula designed to promote healthy hair from root to tip. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Purifect Hair Growth Serum is a bioactive hair treatment designed to condition, revitalize, and protect your hair while promoting growth, thickness, and overall strength. The key ingredients include peppermint oil, rosemary oil, jojoba oil, moringa seed oil, and camellia seed oil, all 100% natural and packed with nutrients. It promises to help you combat thinning hair and hair loss while soothing a dry scalp. Whether your hair is straight, curly, or coily, this serum is formulated to support all hair types, especially if you're dealing with weak or breakage-prone hair. The application process is straightforward. It's a serum, so you apply a few drops directly to your scalp, massage gently, and leave it on for a little while. You can use it as part of your everyday routine or 3 to 4 times a week, depending on how much care you want to give your scalp and hair. It absorbs easily into the skin, and the formula feels lightweight, no greasy residue. Now, let's talk about how it actually performs in real life. After incorporating this serum into my routine for a few weeks, I noticed a few things right away. First, my scalp felt calmer. The dryness and occasional itchiness I've struggled with were significantly reduced. It's especially soothing in the winter when my scalp tends to get drier. I also noticed my hair feeling more resilient, less breakage, which is a huge plus if you're trying to grow your hair longer. But let's be clear, it's not a miracle serum that will give you overnight results. Hair growth takes time, and this serum is definitely a long-term investment if you're looking for thicker, fuller hair. I've been using it consistently, and the most noticeable improvement I've had so far is the overall strength and shine of my hair. It feels healthier and looks glossier, even after a few weeks of use. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: it's made with natural, nourishing botanical oils, which is great for those who prefer clean, cruelty-free products. It's non-greasy and absorbs quickly, making it easy to integrate into your routine without disrupting your day. I experienced noticeable improvements in scalp health, reducing dryness and itchiness. It's suitable for all hair types, so you don't need to worry about your hair texture. It's free from harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. Cons: it does require consistent use to see results, so if you're looking for immediate changes, this might not be the quick fix you need. The price point might be a little high for some, especially if you're used to drugstore alternatives. When it comes to value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. While the ingredients are top tier and the formula is high quality, the price might not be justified for everyone. However, if you're looking for a natural, cruelty-free serum with clinically proven ingredients to tackle hair thinning and scalp issues, it might just be worth it. Especially since it's formulated without harsh chemicals, which is a big plus for many conscious consumers. If you're on a tighter budget but still want something effective, there are some more affordable alternatives out there, like products containing similar oils, such as peppermint or rosemary oil-based serums, which are often sold at a lower price. You might not get the exact same formula, but these alternatives could still provide the benefits you're after. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and functional with a dropper that makes it easy to apply the serum exactly where you need it without making a mess. The product is made in the USA and dermatologist tested, so you can trust that the formula is safe and reliable. Final thoughts? The Purifect Hair Growth Serum is a solid option for anyone looking to improve the health of their hair and scalp with natural ingredients. It doesn't offer instant results, but with consistent use, it could be a helpful addition to your routine if you're dealing with hair thinning, breakage, or a dry scalp. If you've tried this product or are thinking about it, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And as always, thank you for watching. The link to purchase is in the comments or description box. Stay beautiful inside and out, and until next time, take care of your hair.